Let's be real, gaano kadalas mo marinig yung, naku, mapapalitan na ang AI ang mga trabaho natin? Especially if you're in BPO, freelancing, or creative work. But here's the truth, AI is not going to replace you, but a person using AI might. Did you know that in the Philippines, over 86% of knowledge workers are already secretly using AI to get their jobs done? We Pinoys are natural adapters. We have discarte. Today, we're going to talk about how to turn that discarte into a superpower. Let's begin. Here are 5 easy, actionable tips to help you adapt, thrive, and lead the pack in the AI era. First tip number 1, stop viewing AI as your competition and start treating it as your unpaid intern. In the Philippines, studies show that about 61% of highly exposed jobs are complementary to AI. That means AI is meant to help you and not to fire you. Don't run away from it. If you're a writer, use it to brainstorm titles. Use it to your advantage. If you're a virtual assistant, let it draft your emails. Focus on what you do best, critical thinking and strategy, and let AI do the grunt work. Tip number 2, learn how to speak AI or the AI language. You don't need a computer science degree for this. It's all about prompting. Think of AI like a highly enthusiastic junior assistant who doesn't know your client. If you give a lazy prompt like write an email to my client, you get a generic robotic answer. But if you give it context, role, and constraints like act as a seasoned Filipino social manager, write a friendly but professional project update email to a US-based e-commerce client, boom, instant quality, not generic AI output. The better you prompt, the faster you finish your work. Tip number 3, don't wait for your company to train you. Here is an interesting statistic. Only 35% of Filipino workers say that they get formal AI training from their employers. But over 80% of us are already practicing BYO-AI, bring your own AI to work. That's the reality. So take your growth into your own hands. Spend just 15 minutes a day or take free courses from LinkedIn, Google, or YouTube. There's a lot out there in the internet. Learn how to use AI tools specific to your niche. If you are in finance, look at AI data analysis. If you are in design, play with generative art tools. But remember, never upload sensitive company data or client private information into public AI models. Stay safe and secure. Tip number 4, flex your human-only muscles. What is the one thing AI cannot do? It cannot build a genuine human relationship. Only us humans are capable of that. It doesn't have empathy, cultural nuance, or the ability to negotiate a tough deal over a cup of coffee. As Filipinos, our superpower is our warm, highly emotional intelligence and communication skills. And we should be proud of that. Double down on this. Learn negotiation, leadership, storytelling. Let AI handle the data crunching while you handle the relationship building. That makes you completely irreplaceable. And finally, tip number 5, showcase your AI literacy. When you're applying for local or international freelance gigs, don't just say, I'm a graphic designer. Say, I am an AI-powered designer who can deliver drafts 50% faster. Nearly 70% of business leaders say they prefer hiring candidates with AI skills. Put the AI tools you know directly on your resume. Show clients that you are fast, modern, and ready for the future. At the end of the day, AI is just a tool, like the calculator or the internet before it. So fear not, it's not about tech overtaking us. It's about us using technology to lift ourselves up. May likas tayong diskarte at sipag. Sabayan natin ng AI and there's no limit to what we can achieve. What AI tool are you using today to make your life easier? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.